Hi, konnichiwa. I'm Fumi. Today, I'll show you how to type Japanese on your smartphone. I use iPhone, but even if you use an Android smartphone, I don't think there's much difference. So you can get idea of how you can type Japanese on your smartphone. So first of all, please install the Japanese keyboard if you haven't got one. This is what the Japanese keyboard looks like. Japanese has 3 scripts: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. First, we enter hiragana and change it to katakana or kanji if you want. Here you see akasatana hamayara wa. And do you know what these stand for? These akasatana hamayara wa corresponds to this vertical column. So when you touch a, you see iu e o around a. So you get a u e o from this part. When you tap, you get a. When you move your finger like this, i u e o. And ka is the same. Ka ki ku ke ko sashi su se so tachi tsu te to nani nu ne no ha hi fu he ho mami mu me mo. And when you tap ya, also you see these marks. These are double quotation marks for Japanese. So if you want to write a quotation, you can use these marks. When you touch wa, you see o, and a horizontal line. So this line is used to show the long vowel. So this is wa. Please look at this part. So this is a face with marks, and you get many faces from here. But also, if you tap any hiragana, that part changes like this. If you use an Android smartphone, it may appear differently, but anyway, you get these somewhere. What you can get here is like hiragana with dots and hiragana with a circle, and also small hiragana. This kanji means small. So if you tap a, and after you tap here, you get small a, i, small i, small u, small e, small o. And also you can get small ya, small yu, small yo. And also you can get small wa. And I've never used this small wa before, but some people use it in casual writing. And when you want these hiragana with dots, tap the hiragana and here, and you can get dots. If they have. If they don't have dots, like na, you get nothing. Only ha column can have both double dots and a circle. So if you tap ha and tap here once, you get ba, twice, pa. So pi twice and pi, pu twice and pu. Okay? And here you get Japanese comma, period, question mark, and exclamation mark. Okay, and when you haven't entered anything, you see these kanji. This is kuhaku, which means space. And this is kaigyo, which means new line. So you can enter space, and also you can go to the next line. And when you enter something, you see these kanji. This is jikoho, which means next choice. And you can choose a word from these choices. And this is kakute, which means to confirm. When you tap a, you see a lot of choices. So you go like this and kakute. Or if you tap a, you see something and you tap there and it's already there. Okay? And next line. Okay, so that's how we type Japanese. 旦那から LINE が、夕飯の買い物をしてきてくれるそうです。優しいですね。じゃあ、ありがとう。子供たちがつけ麺を食べたいと言ってる。あと、いつものワインをお願いします。これでいくか。OK! Okay, so that's about it today. Thank you, Janet, for checking this script, and thank you for watching this video. I hope now you can type in Japanese. In the next video, I'll show you how to type Japanese on your PC. Most Japanese people use Romaji入力, which means that you can use your English keyboard to type Japanese. It's easy. So stay tuned. See you then. Bye!